time ever we have no plan. Like, I don't have my 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 list of places to see, of things to do. We're just going. We'll see what we find. One thing I know for sure, we just want to get closer to the sea and maybe look for some sea glass. Hi guys, and welcome back to our channel. For those intimidated by driving in Sicily, I want to say right away that going from Catania to Siracusa is easy. It's literally a straight shot on the highway until you pretty much hit the city. There's also many convenient and large parking lots where even our big van had no problem fitting. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Siracusa. Since 2005, the entire city of Siracusa has been listed as a World Heritage Site by UNESCO. And the first thing we come across is the Temple of Apollo, which is the oldest stone temple in Sicily. Walking up to Duomo di Siracusa, you pass lots of stores and shops, and I don't know about you guys, but I'm a sucker for anything handmade, like handmade jewelry or bags or shoes. So, I always stop and stare. And moving on, I'll tell you more about these heads you see all over Sicily when we visit a cute little pottery town called Caltagirone, but these heads have a very interesting story, and they're literally all over Sicily. We are now at the Duomo di Siracusa, once was the Greek temple of Athena. I hear it's at one of the most interesting and beautiful sites in Sicily. Of course, we're here on a Sunday afternoon and it's closed, but luckily there's a restaurant across that's open where we're gonna have some pasta and pizza and some good old Italian wine and just enjoy the view. Per usual, I already know I don't recommend restaurants that are so touristy, but you guys, look at my kids. How do they make friends everywhere we go? And how do they even communicate? This just makes my heart so happy. That's why traveling in Italy is very tricky on Sundays, because for the most part everything is closed. We are here at 1 o'clock and they closed at 12:45. That's a shame because I was really mostly excited about this castle. Like, in my head, Siracusa associates with this castle. Well, I guess we'll have to come back. But I think you're excited to go collect sea glass, right?
Yeah, but maybe.
And I was excited about this. The beaches of Siracusa have a lot of sea glass, so the kids came up with the idea of making a little keepsake, kind of like a little project in the shape of Sicily. And I think that's such a cute idea, but we'll need to collect a lot of sea glass for that. Always, if you guys enjoy our videos, please support by liking, commenting, subscribing, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye!